Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an exciting video for you. Have you ever encountered the frustrating Unarc.dll error while trying to install setup? Well, you're in luck because I've discovered a new method to fix this issue and get your game installation back on track. This error usually happens after waiting for a long time. It's typically because our PC doesn't have enough resources to unpack the file, especially if we have only 8 GB of RAM. But in today's video, I'll share a quick fix that has worked for me. First, close all applications and press Alt plus F4 to restart your computer. Then, run the setup again. This time, make sure to check the box that says Limit Installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. This option is specifically for low memory machines with 8 GB of RAM or less. By checking this box, the installer won't use more than 2 GB of RAM, which will make the installation slower but more stable. After checking the box, wait for the installation to complete. It may take some time. As you can see, the installation has completed successfully without any errors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.